We are making not cupcakes, cake. No, not cake. What do you
Let's call it Afrikaans cookies.
Yeah.
Sweet biscuits.
Sweet biscuits.
Sweet biscuits. We are then making sweet biscuits.
Sweet biscuits. Let's just call it, low Afrikaans, we're going to call it Soetkoekies.
Yes.
Soetkoekies. Say Soetkoekies?
Cookies.
Yeah, much easier. Okay, so we will tell you the recipe as we go along. We have just now started 250 gram margarine, butter, any of that yellow stuff you put on bread before you put on the other spreads. And then we just poured with it 180 grams of sugar. Yes, 180 grams of sugar. And now we need to stir this.
Yes.
Nikki, check if you can stir it. Go. Oh.
This is so easy.
Okay, so what we did is we stirred the butter or margarine and sugar until it's quite thick and creamy. Now, our next step is to put 5 milliliters of vanilla essence
Yes.
and a can of condensed milk. Okay.
Okay.
Put your finger across there and take a sip.
No.
Just don't cut your finger. Okay, so what are you gonna do? Can you put for us? Oh. Okay, put for us this can inside the bigger bowl.
Everything.
Everything. Okay, and just hold it a bit. Just hold it a bit there until I get the last piece out there, please. Oh. Very delicious. Wash your hands, remember? Okay, so vanilla essence, 5 ml of vanilla essence. There it goes. I love the smell of vanilla essence. Okay, great. Is that it? Quite an empty? Okay, nice. Now, do you want to put it in or sugar? Okay, I will hold it for you.
Alright. Yeah, this is yummy.
You must actually get another.
Another spoon. Let's do
Let me
this.
help you here. Mom is bringing for us something that is more suitable for the job. Let's take it. It's like work doing any work. You need the right tools for the job. Oh, it smells nice. Is that it again? Okay, and I guess the next thing is now to stir. Try with the spoon.
Okay, where must I put this?
Put this in here.
I'll stir.
Stir with that.
So guys, look how after we stir it, now we are gonna put
Baking powder. 4 cups of. No, not baking powder. Cake flour. Cake flour. Okay. So what we did is we filled it up and then taking the other side of a knife. Nice.
Nice. Oh, that looks so delicious.
Okay. Let's put it again. Fill it up.
You.
The best. Okay, let me. That's one. Okay.
Now 2 more to go. My hands are getting like full of cake flour.
Yes, right. Oh.
Oh
Let's
no.
just fill it a bit.
Hey, what do you think you're doing?
Put a bit more in. That's it. Okay.
So,
That's it.
so, last one. Now look how my hands are.
Okay. Whoa. That's it. Okay. That's it. And then is it 215 or no 10 milligrams of baking powder. So this was cake flour. Now we're putting baking powder. You must look more like baking powder.
Yeah, look how much.
Okay, so where's the 10?
There's not a 10.
If there's not a 10, we will put in 2 5s. Can I just not put it in a teaspoon? No, I can't put it in a teaspoon. Okay, let me make it.
Getting good.
I think I need a bit. 5. Let's hope a 5 millimeter is the same as a 5 milligrams. Really? Let's assume it is for now. It's gonna be our special.
I don't know why I'm laughing. I don't know why I'm laughing.
Okay, nice. So I
Well,
think
now we
that's
must
enough
stir.
baking powder. Now stir.
Ah!
Hey, nice. How did Mom teach you?
Oh,
Let me show you.
okay.
From the bottom of up, so you can mix everything while you're stirring.
Okay. So guys, now we are done mixing this. Now we must just, you see this? Now we must just spray.
The tray.
The
So
tray.
after you have mixed it,
Then
it's a thick dough. Yes,
You must put that out.
we'll get to that. But first, before we now we're gonna take the dough and put it on a baking plate.
First we must spray.
Yeah, but we already sprayed. If you spray now, you're gonna gas us out.
Okay.
So we did it on the outside, we sprayed the tray, and now you can literally take a piece. You take a piece as well, very small piece. We washed our hands. Okay, make a little ball. Okay, and now let's put it down.
Down.
And using a fork.
Wait, where's the fork?
Yes, there's a fork.
Wait, oh there.
Okay, then we can press it down using a fork. That's one way of doing it.
Oh no.
Okay, let's try again. Let me just soft.
Okay, that's soft.
Okay. Okay. More.
There we go.
Okay, a little
This
bit
is-
more.
This is too sticky.
A
The
little bit
handle.
more. That's it. Okay, other side.
Is that?
Okay.
Let's
Now,
go.
Mom said, okay, I think that's good. Mom said we must sprinkle a bit of these sprinkles on. This is not part of the recipe, this is just for fun. We'll see if it comes out. Just a little bit, not much. Okay, we'll use that just now. Hey.
It's just too delicious.
Okay, yeah. Okay, now that is one way of making the
Yes,
cookies. Okay, let's now see how Nicholas
so guys,
is.
now here's my mom. So she all can help, and my dad is filming the video. I don't know why.
I think that's thick enough. Yeah.
Okay. That's right. Okay. Now we're making Christmas tree. Yay! What? That's a jingle bell. Look how pretty. Hey, look. But it is gonna be even more prettier. So the last thing we have to do, just put this thing in the oven.
And the oven was preheated at 180 degrees. And according to the recipe, you put it in the oven for around 10 to 12 minutes.
Okay, let's go. Let's go. First, we must the living item, then we must open this quickly. Then we are going to get our cookie.
Be careful of your hands.
Yes, I will. Oh, so hot.
Put it there.
So,
Okay, put it, close the door. Okay, be careful, you must put in the oven mitten.
okay, so how much?
Okay, now let's wait 10 to 12 minutes.
Ooh, how? in this thing right now. And now it's done. Now it's time to put it out.
Take it out.
Take it out.
Yes. Thumb on the top.
Ow. So that's how the cookies look.
Delicious.
Delicious, they're my delicious.